In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement live chat support with Intercom. This process is a fantastic way to enhance your customer service by enabling real-time communication with your website visitors. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to juneweb.com. This is your starting point for integrating Intercom into your site. Once you're on Juneweb, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option called Manage Apps. Click on it. This is where you'll find all the applications you can manage or add to your site, including Intercom. Now, from the list of available apps, locate Intercom Live Chat. Clicking on this will direct you to the section where you can begin the installation process. Here, you'll see a button labeled Install. Go ahead and click on it. This action sets the stage for integrating Intercom with your website. Next, you'll need to visit the Intercom website. On the left-hand side menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This section allows you to customize and configure your Intercom settings according to your preferences. Within the settings, you'll find a sub-option labeled Messenger. Click on this to proceed. Afterward, you'll encounter another Install button under the Messenger settings. Clicking on this will guide you to the installation process specific to your needs. At this point, you'll want to choose Google Tag Manager. This will help you integrate Intercom into your website seamlessly by using Google's robust tag management system. The next step is crucial for the integration process. Locate the option to Copy Workspace ID. This ID is a unique identifier for your Intercom setup and is essential for linking Intercom with your site. Now, with your Workspace ID copied, head back to Juneweb. Once there, you'll need to paste this Intercom app ID into the designated field on your Juneweb dashboard. This action connects your Intercom setup with your website, ensuring that the live chat functionality is up and running smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully implemented live chat support with Intercom on your website. This setup allows you to provide instant, personalized support to your website visitors, improving user experience and potentially boosting customer satisfaction and retention. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and happy chatting!